Look at that. There's like cement cubes throughout there. It's right here. And it looks incredible. And it's by the highway too. So this is really something unexpected because we're on our way back home and we came across Kamval. What is this place? I forgot the name of the place, but I'll put it up screen right now. But yeah, it looks pretty nice in here. Oh yeah, this video is going on the second channel, of course, because this is a short vlog. But just like look at that. Look at this absolute monstrosity of a view. This is amazing. Okay, so I think that this is the famous road. I swear to God, I've seen this road a lot of times on Facebook, and a lot of people are taking pictures literally on the road because there's not much cars around here. But it's like a highway, basically. But it's still closed for now, I think, so that's why there's isn't many cars. But once this is open, man. But like, yeah. I'm finally here. Look at that. Yeah, just a little detour. I'm sure we'll probably return here soon once everything is like really nice and fixed up around here. So yeah.